good morning. Another day, another dollar. It's been rainy all night and now it's drizzling. But anyway, I'll be working on the bathroom at last. I'm sure a lot of you will be happy. But bear in mind, this is the Garcia Family vlog. There's a bit of everything. Okay, let's see what we're gonna do in that bathroom. Okay, I think I already explained in another video. This is waterproof membrane mixture that we have to use on top of the existing board before putting the HydraFlex panel. But this takes a little while to dry, so I'm not going to put that this morning, otherwise I won't be able to do anything else in the bathroom. So we're going to keep it for towards the end of the day, and then the following day I could eventually walk on it and do things in the bathroom. So what I'm thinking to do is to start working with the ceiling and the top and skim coating when necessary. I'll just show you what I'm going to use for the HydraFlex joint, wall and ceiling. And you can skim coat. The skim coat will go through that. That's the way to go. You don't want to use this one here. Nope. For any joint, HydraFlex, use this one. Let's do that. Yeah, we're back. She wondered what happened to this hole. Yep, Daddy did a good job. You hitting it? Okay. I have to show what I should be doing here. See, there's a big gap there, so maybe we should put some for now. I did this because so maybe you're gonna have to fill that bit here first, and then I'm gonna need to polish this, remove the high spot. Yeah, don't need the tape here. You're not gonna come here, are you? Yeah, I need to get rid of her. That's it. Okay, so that's what I'm using for skim coating. But I don't know how much I paid for this, so don't ask me. You can find this any hardware store. So let's do that. And the rain continues. Sprinkling. That's better. then that should help. It's too much gap. I got some left, so let's fill up some holes.
The skim cup?
Yeah. That's the transition between the tile and the painting.
It's raining outside.
I know. I see from the little window there. It's terrible. put all the junction tape everywhere as much as I can. That should do the job. But I recommend do not put any skim coat under because it won't stick to the skim coat. I guess I remember that. I made a mistake. I did that here because the gap was too big. But that tape's not sticking there, so I don't know. I'm going to have to put some special glue or something. We'll see what happens. It's taking a lot of time to do that. At least do all this side here, the ceiling, near the door. I will do after when everything, the board, floorboard is put in and everything. Because I'm going to have to move the door a little bit up or down. That's okay. I will do most of it there. There's a few screws I noticed they're not very good. They're sticking up still, so like this one here. So I need to fix that. Those two. See, you can see it's moving, so it's not screwed properly, so I need to fix this. It's okay. Hello, Bella. Oh, smell nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, yum. Healthy fish, yeah.
Let's eat.
Let's eat. It's a sweet white anyway.
I like sweet wine.
Is that your glass?
Yes.
Ah. You planning something?
Oh my god, maybe you.
Yeah, that job in the bathroom, it's taking a while. It's okay. Vegetable. Hang on. You here?
Yeah, she's coming
Yeah,
because
Lily not here. I think some people feed her. Now when she's hungry and she got no food, then she come. And I don't like that because she's supposed to be the guard of the house. And she never here because some people feed her. And I told those people, don't feed her.
Dami kayo.
Lami kayo, yeah.
We used to cook
Cheers, big ears.
in the mountain.
Which fish is that?
Small tuna.
Small tuna. Yeah. Nice.
You know the small one? Just
That's a dry fish we bought in Zamboanga City with the flavor.
The dried fish is only made with salt and then dry under the sun.
It's a bit hot too, a bit spicy.
No?
Nice, yeah.
Mommy.
Hello, my love.
Mommy.
She's so good.
Want to sleep?
Hello, my love.
Daddy.
She come to hug daddy too. I love you.
And the table?
She's very affectuous. I realize we're eating corn rice.
That is corn rice, my love. I bought
You bought yesterday?
And this is the good quality one. 54 per kilo. Nice.
So here's a beautiful vegetable sauce with coconut milk, tuna, fruits. Anyway. Oh, and our mango from our garden.
Papaya.
Oh, sorry, papaya. Oh, you hugging mommy and daddy. Yeah, we love you, my love.
Love you, Poo. Mommy.
See, she's so cute. So funny. We don't have to worry about no water in our tank. And I know as it gets filled and overflow, it cleans the water, so it's okay. Okay, back to work. It's got a fair bit to do still. Anyway, let's get into it. I'm gonna put this everywhere now, and then we'll do some skin cutting. Okay, I need to flatten all this and see if we need to skim coat. Okay, that's it for today. I need to prepare some skim coating, but I will do that in the morning. I don't want to do that now. Getting tired. The other thing I need to do is I need to worry about this door. So I'll see if I can get some measurement and see if we can work out exactly what that door is going to be, and then I can finish all this side as well. And we do the skim coating in one go. Let's see how we go. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care, God bless you all, bye bye.